Hello YouTube community, this is VIP Nobody coming to you from the sunny climes of Jamaica, your fixed income PC builder. I'm going to do something a little different today. I had mentioned in a prior video that I had in the show more section at the bottom that I had taken a hard drive, a SSD, and loaded Linux on it in my Dell D630. Put Linux on it, and I took it from the Dell D630 and I put it into a Mac and booted up. I had a stubborn Mac. It didn't want to recognize anything. So you can see Dell D630. And it just worked. It just booted. I took out the I have a Lion, copy of Lion on this one. This is what, 1184, A118034, and I just took the one out of the D630, put it into this Mac, and I'm going to see what happens. There's the regular Mac chime. It might take it a while to find its brains. I don't know, we'll see. We've got a flashing cursor in the upper left. I do admit that they are similar in that they have DDR2, the both of them, and they both have Core 2 Duos CPUs, which might work in their favor, I don't know. But if you're having trouble trying to install something, on your Mac, you know, some people go through a large rigmarole. Hey, Wi-Fi networks available even. It just works. Linux just works. Doesn't matter what machine. You don't have to buy any keys or anything like that. It's just fantastic. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, I skinned out the D630 with Macbuntu back when Noob's Lab was still working. The keys for peer keys for Noob's Lab no longer work, so you can't I can't download the skin any longer from Noob's Lab, NOOBS. I've tried to look it up to see what the heck is going on, but you know, I'm not a keyboard commando like so many other guys. I go for something that's easy and simple. I got a penguin running across the bottom of the dock down there. How about that? Woo, look at him go. But hey, all you guys out there having so much trouble trying to install Linux on your Mac, I suggest that you put the Linux on and doll it up whatever way you want. Do whatever you want to your system, skin it, put some music on it, and take it out of your other machine and stick it in your Mac and see if it works. This is Linux Mint 19, I do believe. Let's see if it recognizes what type of machine it is. Or does it still think it's a D630? That's what I want to see. System info. Touchpad is a little touchy. Intel Core 2 Duo. It recognizes that correctly. 2 gigs of memory. That, I don't know. I think I've got 4 in here. Nope, it doesn't say that it's a Dell 630. I've done that in a few Dells, switching it back and forth between some Dells, and it still thinks it's a Dell 630. But hey, Linux just works, and it's easy. I mean, get a start menu. Ta-da! There's a start menu. You want a start menu. You want a toolbar? There's a toolbar. It's just moved up to the top. What's the big deal with it being up top? Jeez. Do I have to move it down? I've got a dock down there. I like the dock. I like the looks. So once again, can Windows do this? Yeah, you can install Windows to a Mac, but you got to have a Mac that's going to recognize the device before you can do that. And I can't jump through all the hoops and terminals and commands and everything. The commands, by the way, on the Mac are the same as what Linux is, if you gotta know. But once again, VIP Nobody from the sunny climes of Jamaica.